This is part 2 of converting fractions, decimals, and percent. These are the next 3. So I'm going to be doing decimals to fractions, percents to fractions, and percents to decimals. Remember, these are in your notebook. These are the exact examples, but I just wanted to work them out for you again in case you needed to see it. Okay, so when we're doing a decimal to a fraction, we're going to remove the decimal. So if I have 0.2, I'm going to remove the decimal. That's just 2. And I'm going to put it over whatever this place value is of this number, wherever it ends. So I only have one number here, that's the 10th place, so I'm gonna put it over 10, and I can simplify that by dividing by 2, and I get 1/5. Let's look at another one. I have 0.37, so I end in the 100th place, so I'm gonna do 37 over 100. I'm going to see if I can simplify that, and I cannot, so my final answer is 37 over 100. All right, now let's look at percent to fractions. Percent to a fraction. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove my percentage sign and put the number over 100. Every time we're doing a percent to a fraction, we always put it over 100. All right? Percent over 100 is something you're going to hear me say probably 3 million times this school year. Percent always goes over 100. Percent always goes over 100. Now I can see if I can simplify. I can simplify this one by dividing by 25. So I get 3/4 as my final answer. So if I had another percentage, let's say I had 13%, I'm going to put that over 100, 13 over 100. I can't simplify that, so that's my final answer. Okay, percent to a decimal. What you're going to be doing is you're moving 2 places to the left. Remember, if you are somebody who struggles with right to left, like Ms. Schmidt, you can write those on your paper. So I'm going to remove that. So I have 36. I have that decimal, that invisible decimal that's always at a number, and I'm going to move it 2 places to the left. So 36% becomes 0.36. Let's look at this example where we have a whole number with a decimal as a percentage. So I have 37.9%. I'm still going to do the same thing. I have 37.9, but I'm going to start where my decimal already is and move 2 places to the left. So my final answer is 0.379. Those are my final answers. All right, guys, that has been conversions. The first video had the other 3 conversions, so if you needed one of those, go back and check out that video.